right, and the banner should be out. Yeah, I just logged in. Now I will be summoning. I'm only gonna do 10 singles on this banner. If we get something great, if we don't, it is what it is. This banner is not really too game changing in my opinion. But I'm also gonna toss in my Alchemist Code summons that comes out in about an hour from the recording of this video. Alchemist Code resets at 4, and BBS resets at 3. So 10 singles. Once we get a 5-star, we're done. And if we hit 10 singles and we don't get a 5-star, that's pretty much it. I just want to save for anniversary and swimsuits. That actually low-key tricked me a little bit. Alright, come on, man. So I hope y'all get something good if y'all are summoning. Nice! Oh, third single. This is why I say do singles, because, like, I could have just ripped the multi. Oh, that's Kisuke. Yes! Okay. I'll take Kisuke. He looks sick. Now you see, after you get a character, you decide on should you keep going or do you stop? Damn. That's tough because I low-key want one of these 80% bruiser characters. But I only really want Shinji right now. It was between Shinji and Kisuke because I already have Nell, so like Retsu, don't get me wrong, I want Retsu, but not that much. I'm a hold. I think we're holding here. But alright, I wish you all the best of luck in your summon. Some of you are going to be out, but we are going to switch over to Alchemist Code and summon there. We actually have a collab banner, so hopefully we can actually get something. And yeah, be right back.